Google Translate is a free online language translation service developed by Google. It allows users to translate text, speech, images, and web pages between any combination of over 100 languages. When a user inputs text or a web page into Google Translate, the service uses machine learning algorithms to analyze the text and determine the language it is written in. It then translates the text into the desired language. Google Translate uses a technique called statistical machine translation, which uses statistical models trained on large amounts of bilingual text to translate between languages. The service also uses neural machine translation, which uses deep neural networks to improve the quality of translations. Google Translate also offers a feature called Conversation Mode, which allows users to have a conversation with someone in another language. The user speaks into the microphone and Google Translate will translate the speech into the desired language. Google Translate also offers a feature called Word Lens, which allows users to take a picture of the text and translate it instantly using the camera on their smartphone. Google Translate is a powerful tool that allows users to communicate and understand information in different languages. However, it should be noted that the translations are not always perfect and may contain errors. It's best to use it as a guide rather than a definitive translation.